my name is Sandy, and I am the owner and founder of IrieBlissWellness. During COVID, we came up with this concept for a CBD to go vending machine. This particular model holds 4 or 8 products. As you can see, the touchscreen display is a perfect place for us to put all the information about the products so that the shop owner can be doing other things. The customer can simply scroll from product to product, find out all of the best attributes, and then decide which product is right for them by simply touching the screen. Once you've selected the product that you want, there'll be additional information about that product on the final purchase screen. They can choose between cash and our cashless, touchless option, which of course is what everybody's going for these days, by just selecting the option here. Money goes in here just like any other vending machine. The beauty of this is that the shop owner and I can sit down and decide which products are best for your business. You'll get a commission by simply putting the machine on your wall. You don't have to have a front desk person or a clerk or even a POS system to sell CBD. We have this all done and ready for you. Please contact us today if you would like to pre-order your CBD to go vending machine from IrieBliss.